Welcome to Homgeek. Let's focus on your home needs. If you want to enjoy daily fresh fruit and vegetable juice, handmade nut butter, smoothie, or other frozen desserts at home with your whole family, then don't miss this Homgeek 700W Blender Smoothie Maker. We have a 700W motor base, a removable 6-piece 3D blade, a 1.5-liter BPA-Free Tempered Glass Jar, and a lid with the built-in cup. And our user menu, of course. This 700W smoothie blender has a speed of 27,000 RPM. Equipped with 6 stainless steel plates, ensures high cutting efficiency. Food can be completely broken in seconds, maximizing the nutrition from food. This all-in-one multifunctional blender includes 2 speeds and a pause function. You can cut fruits, mix vegetables, grind nuts, or crush ice easily, meeting your different cooking needs. This blender cup is made of tempered glass and has a capacity of 1.5 liters, suitable for the whole family. It uses BPA-free food-grade tempered glass material, very wear-resistant and providing a longer service life. This blender is designed with detachable blades, so it can easily remove the blades and clean them separately. The non-slip food design here, along with the overheating protection, greatly increase your safety in operation. Come and get this Homgeek 700W Blender Smoothie Maker. Bring your family a healthier life.